Hi everyone, right, I've got two and only two identical kits. Very similar to the last ones that I did. They do come with a free goodie bag, and in that goodie bag you're going to find beads, charms, you know, just things for you to play around with. And again, this one's £20. And it is an awful lot for your money, so I'm going to go through it right now. Now, like I said, it's very similar to the last one, where these are doilies, parts of doilies, doily edging, all that you can craft with. And some of the bits are like end of rolls and things like that, which I can't sell because it's not a metre or a yard. So yeah, take a look. They're identical, remember. So you have two of those. You've got a doily. Then you've got a piece of a border, a large piece of a border that you can cut out and just have the trim if you want. But I like that as is. It looks really nice when it's, see, like that. That's quite a big piece. Two-tone one, plain one. These have got 3 flowers on that you can cut out. A strip like that with doilies that you can cut out or use as is. Use that as a separate strip if you want to. One of those with the 2 flowers on you can cut out and use the trim. Then a large piece of this, which actually came from a top, but it's fine for you to play around with that way. Yeah, you know. So the thing is, you know what you're buying. This, oh, there, when I say identical, yeah, this one I only had one of, so I put a different one in the other one. But everything else is identical. And you've got a piece of this fabric. You know, you've got to think outside the box, think what you can create with it. These have got little flowers on, but you can use it as a whole piece. Well, you only get 2 out of it, so I left the end on in case somebody could use that. This is off the material I get from Tatty, and they're just stunning. You know, but they can cut them out. That's a large piece, yeah, with the hearts. So you've got all of these hearts can be cut individually. These can be cut individually, so can these. All the trims there for you. Then there's a piece of trimming for you. There's another piece with flowers on, or whatever you want to do with. Quite a lot of the applique bits. A couple of flowers that were cut. Then you have a piece of this trim, like the shoehorn trim. Shoehorn? No? Horseshoe. I'm tired. It's late. I've been working all day. That trim. All can be cut individually or leave as is. Then there's a large piece of this, which is a broad trim with doilies on. Oh, you get, this will go in your goodie bag. I found keys, so we have some keys. There's a flower there. It's supposed to be like a butterfly, but it's more like a flower. Some fabrics, and it's just a collection of fabrics. I mean, look. Some silk, the remnants, that's all they are. But great for if you're a slow stitcher or you want to make a mini dress or something. I don't know. It's for you to play around with. That's beautiful, isn't it? That way, I think. Yeah. You get a set of leaves each. Some silk, satin, sorry. Some cotton stripe and some other remnants. There's a piece of lace, another piece of lace, another remnant. Let me leave that till last. Piece of like a buttercream satin. You've got a large piece of this. Piece of that. Oh, that way. Just snip that off. Some of that trim. These are just pieces of lace, like what was cut off the end of the roll, but they're enough to make flowers or trim something, you know, the bottom of a plaque or something. That one. Some ribbon. This is the wired ribbon, and you just pull that out. Actually, it's like a catgut, that one. So you've got the sheer ribbon in like a gold, and the same in like a pink. Now these you can have either way. They are velvet or satin. A dozen of those. The ombre ribbon, wired. I've added in, I'll show you bits at the end because there's more to go in besides that. So I just want to try and keep all this together. Now this is the chiffon, and they make absolutely stunning flowers, and that's like the apple green, the peach, and the cream, and you've got about a yard of each. Oh, another one of those. Piece of this, which is that wide trim again. Remember, there's only 2 of these, and for 20 quid, you know, we'll show them at the end. And you've got one of those you can use, 2 of those. I did manage to find some more of that fabric. Another one there. That one. Oh, another one of those hearts. Some more appliques. 2 of those. Another doily. 2 of the smaller ones. Now this trim actually needs ironing, but I'm not going to iron it. You can do that, and it's a doily. It just needs ironing. It's how it was laid in the box. It's been there a long time, but they are pretty nice when you iron them. Piece of crochet trim. One of you's got 2 pieces of this because it's for some reason cut in half. This is the whole piece, and you can cut all these down. You don't have to have it like that, but it's a very deep ruffle tool. There's a piece of pink Chinese braid. Piece of fabric, lace fabric. That's double. Beautiful, look at that with the roses on. Just gorgeous. Crochet trim again. Big piece of that. The cotton. That one. And this one, a piece of that, which is, it's like glittery. Absolutely stunning. And then the last of that, there was no more of that, just enough to do 2 pieces. So I'm going to move that there. I'm including, this is not everything, 6 of the butterflies. You can paint them or just glue them, you know, cut them and put them on. You're getting the purple ribbon with the purple bling. Looks stunning, doesn't it? Look. You're getting, these I bought when I was in Scotland with Julie, and there were 2 buckles. So you can take this section out. These are vintage though, so be careful. Take that section out and use that as a frame. You've got 3 of the purple bling. And then a piece of this each. But that's not all. I'm going to be putting the beads in and everything. And you're getting all of that for £20 plus shipping. Now, I have to tell you, the weight of the parcel for overseas is going to be at least £15. It's quite a heavy bundle. There will be more to come. I'm absolutely clearing out of... I mean, I've got boxes and boxes of stuff. I'm just thinking, I'm looking at it, I'm going, oh God, I've got to go through all of that. So I will be having some material ones coming out. Just, I don't know, I have so much. I've just got to, I have to for the venture I'm doing. So it's got to go. Simple as that. But you're getting an awful lot for your money there. And the bead bag as well. So, yeah, $4.45 for the UK. It's going to be at least £15 for overseas. But £20 a kit. Okay? So if you're interested... say on this video and I will, first 2 customers, first 2 to say they want it. Don't say you want it and then don't have it, because that's not fair on other people. They lose out. If you want it, I'm going to invoice you, and you know, it'll be invoiced tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.